Thank you, and last but not least, I'd like to invite Jordan Mickman. He's a staff attorney at Rhode Island Center for Justice to say a few words. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Jordan Mickman. I'm the supervising attorney at the Rhode Island Center for Justice, and I'm here in lieu of Jennifer Wood, who I know wish she could be here today to thank the mayor and city council for this really major investment they're making. And I just wanted to, again, thank the city for acknowledging our clients. Our clients are human beings, and they are trying to live every day, struggling like the rest of us. And from time to time, they get a letter from their landlord saying that their rent's going to go up from $800 a month to $1,600 a month. Or they get a letter from their landlord telling them that they're not allowed to live there anymore because the landlord won't allow children to rent from the apartment. Or they've gotten a letter from their landlord saying that you need to move now because we can't afford to fix the lead mitigation issues that poisoned your child. And these folks end up in 6th District Court right down the street, and they get evicted every day. When I started this job 5 years ago, there would be routinely 100 cases or more people getting evicted, and there would be one or maybe two attorneys there to help people in the hallway. We would help them the best we can under the circumstances, but every day these people are getting evicted. They have legal defenses. Like I said, their children have been poisoned, their health has been compromised, the landlords have not followed the law, but it's on the defendants to assert their rights. And our clients show up to court oftentimes under extreme pressure, trying to get to work, trying to get their kids to school, trying to get to medical appointments, and they need to get out of that courthouse and away from that building as quickly as they can. The stress and anxiety it creates is too much for them to handle. As lawyers, I like to think that we're human shields. We step in front of the anxiety-inducing terror from the process, the uncertainties, all of the people who pointed them through revolving doors and refuse to answer their questions because they're not lawyers. And we can answer their questions. Yes, your landlord can do this. No, your landlord cannot do that. And sometimes just that 2-minute conversation is enough to ease the concerns and resolve a problem that would lead to potentially an eviction. So the thesis of what I'm trying to say is that our clients have legal rights and defenses. These evictions are not just about financial instability. It's not about the recent COVID crisis. It wasn't about the mortgage crisis in 2009. It's about unaddressed substandard housing conditions that lead tenants into financial instability and eventually towards eviction. And this is an amazing first step to dignify these tenants and allow them to assert their rights. But I'm hoping that this is the first step towards addressing the greater substandard housing conditions, which in my opinion are actually driving this eviction crisis. So thank you very much to the City Council and to the Mayor. This money will be very well spent and is very much appreciated by everybody involved.